and welcome to another Weekly 3 with Tony T. I'm Tony Trongone, Superintendent of Millville Public Schools. In this video, we will cover 3 topics. 1 will be our COVID reminders, 2 will be preschool registration, and 3 will be early college program. My first topic is COVID reminders. I just wanted to refresh our staff, families, and community about ongoing COVID requirements and procedures. First, if a student or staff member tests positive for COVID-19, you're required to isolate for 5 days. You can return to school on day 6 and must wear a mask for an additional 5 days. Second, if a student or staff member is identified by the Department of Health or the district as a close contact, you must quarantine for 5 days and then return on day 6 with a mask. If it's not possible to isolate from a positive family member, you cannot begin your quarantine period until that family member reaches day 6 of their illness. We are continuing to follow these procedures in order to keep everyone safe as we see COVID-19 numbers rise and fall throughout our county and the state. I want to thank everyone for your continued cooperation to make sure our kids reach June 21st, the last day of school, happy and healthy. All the schools and offices in our district are continuing to complete contact tracing and quarantining of close contacts to keep our staff and students safe. However, we were required to pause our Test to Stay program at this time. We will communicate any changes to the status with our staff and families. As a reminder, rapid testing is available both as home test kits and at locations such as Inspira, Riverside Urgent Care, and Walgreens by making an appointment. Please see the information on your screen. The district will accept results from any of these options. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our Human Resources Department at the email address listed. They are happy to help. My second topic is preschool registration. Recently, we moved to a completely online registration form. This will streamline the process of registering new students in our district. Previously, this was accomplished by having our parents and guardians fill out paper packets, which then had to be manually entered by our registration staff in our systems. Now that we are utilizing an online form, this information can be entered directly by parents and guardians on a laptop or desktop computer. All required documents can be scanned and uploaded, and our registration staff will check and approve registrations much more quickly and efficiently. If you have a new student that will be 3 or 4 years old by October 1st, 2022, you can register your child now for the 22-23 school year. Please be advised that our online registration form must be completed on a laptop or desktop computer. It cannot be completed on a phone or tablet. If you do not have a computer available to you, we have installed computer kiosks at our Child Family Center and the registration office in the Culver Center. Staff are available in both locations to assist you with completing the form and scanning and uploading your documents. The Child Family Center is also offering registration appointments to assist families with the process. On Tuesday, May 24th and Wednesday, May 25th, they will have appointments available during the time you see on your screen. Please contact the Child Family Center to sign up. My final topic is the early college program. On Thursday, May 12th, 16 Millville High School seniors participated in the commencement ceremony at the Rowan College of South Jersey, Cumberland campus. These students were members of the first cohort of the early college program at Millville High School, which began in 2018, their freshman year. They have spent the last 4 years simultaneously taking their required high school courses as well as college-level courses with the goal of earning an associate's degree. As you can see on your screen, 12 students earned an associate's degree in liberal arts, biomedical. 3 students earned an associate's degree in engineering, and 1 student earned an associate's degree in liberal arts STEM. This is an impressive accomplishment on its own. However, I'd like to share that 13 of these seniors graduated with a cumulative grade point average higher than 3.5. If you are unfamiliar, The Millville High School Early College Program provides students the opportunity to earn college credits during their regular high school day, completely free of charge. These courses are made available through an articulation agreement with the Rowan College of South Jersey and Millville Public Schools, which blends high school and college in a challenging yet supportive program. This first cohort is now enjoying the results of their 4 years of hard work. I'd like to share just a few more impressive highlights about this cohort of students. As I mentioned, 3 seniors graduated with an Associate of Science in Engineering, which is an extremely rigorous program. Only 4 RCSJ students graduated with an Associate's in Science of Engineering, and 3 of them were our students. Anthony Kukul received the President's Award for Excellence in Engineering. Michaela Nelson received the President's Award for Academic Excellence, and Michaela is one of 8 students who earned a 4.0 grade point average. Again, congratulations to these outstanding students. I can't wait to see you take your final commencement walk with Millville on June 21st at our high school graduation ceremony. And now for some upcoming events. On Monday, May 23rd, our Bacon Elementary Spring Concert and Art Show will take place at Lakeside at 7 p.m. Also on May 23rd, we will have our Board of Education meeting at the Culver Center at 7 p.m. On Tuesday, May 24th, we'll have preschool registration at the Child Family Center between the hours of 2:30 to 6:30 p.m. We will also have our Mount Pleasant Spring Concert at Lakeside at 7 p.m. On Wednesday, May 25th, we'll have preschool registration at the Child Family Center between the hours of 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Also on that Wednesday, we'll have a substitute hiring event at the Culver Center between the hours of 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. And also on Wednesday, we'll have the Millville High School Parent Night with the topic being Dealing with Disruptive Behavior. It'll be at the Senior High campus between 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And finally on Wednesday, May 25th, we'll have our Rick Avenue Spring Concert, which will be at Lakeside at 7 p.m. And on Thursday, May 26th, we'll have the Silver Run Spring Concert at Lakeside at 7 p.m. And Friday, May 27th, we'll have Olympic Day. It'll be at 10 a.m. and last till 2 p.m., and we'll hold it at Wheaton Field. And on Monday, May 30th, all schools and offices will be closed for Memorial Day. On Tuesday, May 31st, we'll have a Mental Health Awareness Night, and it'll be hosted by our Millville High School and Lakeside Middle Schools. And it'll be held at Lakeside Middle School at 6 p.m. And now for this week's shout-outs. My first shout-out goes to Tom HERMAN. Tom has overseen the early college program at Millville High School since its inception. He has been the coordinator, cheerleader, and yes, counselor for all the students involved. It is as much due to their hard work as it is to his unflagging support that we saw 16 of our seniors earn associate's degrees. Thank you, Tom, for everything you do for our students and our programs. My second shout out goes to our school nurses. It has been, without a doubt, a challenging year for those in education, but none more so than our school nurses. On a typical day, our nurses serve diverse student populations that vary from building to building with equally significant medical needs. With the added component of COVID-19, their already complicated and hectic daily schedules became even more so. Every task that was asked of them, they delivered, because the primary concern of each and every one of our school nurses is the health and well-being of their students. I thank them for being so steadfast in their roles during a year when so much was asked of them. Thank you. And thank you, and as always, go Bolts.